Guys, this is the hair that I'm getting ready to use. It's Encore color 33, and see, this is the hair. That's the color. This is the hair. It should look like. See, this is the hair right here. Right? Hey guys, as you can see, right here I'm just showing you guys my hair. I'm showing you the hair that I'm gonna be using. It's the Encore from the Janet collection. It's color 33 and the length is 12 inches. Okay, and I'm just pulling my hair apart, pulling my hair back so you guys can see it, and I'm showing you up here. I'm showing you the hair that I'm gonna use, and I'm showing you that I'm cutting it out the package, the scissors. Yes. And the hair, it's very, now I'm just removing the removing the thing off of it. I'm cutting I'm showing you as I cut the loose, and now I'm just gonna pull the hair apart so you guys can like really see how it look, get a real good view of it, how it look. Okay, I'm just pulling it apart. The section I'm holding it up, it look kind of weird, but yeah. And now I'm showing you what I'm gonna be using: the glue from Maxi Professional, okay, the scissors, and the comb that I'm gonna be using to right here. I'm just parting my hair so I can braid it. Yeah, I'm just gonna be braiding it back. Yeah, right now I'm just adjusting the lighting so you guys can see it better. If you're wondering why my hair is sectional like that in the front, that's because that's the part that I'm gonna flat iron. Now I'm just finishing up braiding all the sides. Alright, so I'm finished braiding the hair now. That's the thing, before you apply your wig cap, you gotta make sure you braid all the hair so it can be nice and smooth under the wig cap. Okay, and I was doing that so you guys can see a better view because it was a little dark. Okay. All right, now applying the wig cap. If you're wondering what that thing in the front is, that's the type that's the part, that the section that I'm gonna flat iron and blend in my hair later on when I'm finished. Okay, so the wig cap is on my head now, and making sure all the is section right on there. Gotta level it. That's good. So now in this next scene, applying the hair glue to the track, the hair. Okay, in this scene, I'm showing you guys a closer look of me applying the hair, and I'm also putting pressure on it to make sure it's nice and tight, so I don't have to worry about it coming loose when I pull on it. Okay, and that's the other part. As you can see, the curls are kind of far apart, so when it's like that, you gotta make sure you keep them together. Keep like a tight space between them. Don't like try to loosen it up too much. Well, now I'm applying more glue to the other hair. Okay, and you also gotta make sure you put in just enough glue so the hair can stick down when you hold on it, and it won't be coming up. Just have to put enough to hold it. Now I'm just applying the other hair on the back, and I'm making sure that I get it leveled correctly, and then I'm gonna push it down really tight and hold on it. It's very important that you put pressure on the hair so it can stay down and it won't fall up like if you try to comb it or touch it. This is where I've gotten so far. I'm putting my hands right there so you guys can see a clear view because my lighting is kind of dark, and I'm just showing you the back and how the curl is laid out so far. Okay, and I'm just gonna twirl a little, hey, so you guys can see it. Okay, so I already have glue on it. Now I'm just gonna apply it on the side. I'm just gonna make sure I put pressure on it to hold it down so it won't come up. Now I'm gonna continue to pull on it, to push on it to make sure it's nice and tight so I don't have to worry about it coming loose later. And I'm showing you guys the hair that I'm using. It says it's the ENCORE from the Jen collection. It's color 33 and the length is 12 inches. And I'm just showing you guys it. As you can see, it's like finger curls. So if the curl ever come loose, all you gotta do is put a little mousse on it and twirl it around with your fingers. So I'm showing you the hair. Now I'm gonna open up the second pack of hair and I'm gonna get started again. Hey. Now I'm just reading the paper and I'm also showing you guys that you can straighten the hair and you can leave it curly. You can do either way, however you want it, straight or curly, you can do it, and you can also wash the hair also. Now I'm just cutting loose the second pack so I can get going. Now what I'm doing, and I'm applying more glue, and I'm making sure I have enough. My eyebrows itches, so I was scratching it. Sorry. Okay, so I'm getting the glue out, and the glue is kind of, you know, want to act funny, don't want to come out the bottle. Okay, I guess it's having a moment. Okay, so you see me shaking it a little bit. Don't worry, I have a backup glue. On the next scene, you'll see it. Yep. So I put the backup glue while I was off camera, and now I'm just pushing it down and holding it just to make sure it's nice and secure. You gotta make sure you push on it like really tight to keep it nice and tight in there, so you don't have to worry about it loosening up. Okay guys, I'll be back with the finishing touches. Mwah. Hey guys, okay, so I'm finishing. This section is pretty self-explanatory, so listen up. This is the finishing touch. This is the finishing touch right here. Yep, I'm showing you guys. It's very flexible and bouncy, nice curls, and it looks so good, don't it? Hey, just flipping it around so you guys can see how it look flawless, honey. Yes. Okay, so now what I need is I got the gel for my edges, and I have the mousse for my hair. It's this right here. Polish Shine Smooth. Curl Up. Curl Activating Mousse. Mousse Activator. Okay. Stronghold Define Curls. Right there says Stronghold Define Curls. This is it. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put a little. Gotta shake it up. You have to make sure you shake it up so you don't come out all watery looking. And then you're just gonna spray it. See, foam for days. All right, and you're just gonna, you're just gonna apply it on the hair. And this is finger curls. That's why I love this hair. Like, if you mess it up, if it gets drawn back out, you can just okay, so that's that. I put that. Okay, so now I'm just gonna touch on my edges. This is the regular gel. I brought this back from Jamaica when I went on vacation. So now I'm just gonna apply just a little bit, not too much. Yeah, just a little bit to get the edges laid, you know. You don't need too much, you know, you don't want to go all crazy. Just want to lay the edges down a little bit, get it all nice and smooth out. Okay, there. And now I'm just gonna use like a soft brush. I know most people use toothbrush to do this part, but you could if you want to, But I'm just gonna use my brush and I'm just gonna lay it out. Okay, lay it out like that. Okay, so I just did it like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You know. Now right here I'm just showing you the hair, a better view so you can really see the curl and the hairstyle really good. And once again, this is the hair that I used. I'm just showing you guys my hair and then the hair that I created the hairstyle from. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Mwah. Bye guys, love you guys. Mwah. Now here go the fun part. Pictures. Who don't like pictures, right? Just showing you guys the pictures of the hairstyle. Enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share the video. Mwah.